Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 9 passive income ideas with ChatGPT. So let's jump into our main video and learn about 9 passive income ideas. So our first idea is make a YouTube channel and make videos for your channel. So you can make YouTube videos to earn money. And how? First you choose a niche or a topic like investment, personal finance, technology, or health or fitness. Then you can create a channel and then create videos continuously on this niche. Next, you can sell ebooks on Amazon. You can create ebook from Canva and ChatGPT and then sell it to Amazon. Canva and ChatGPT is a free tool and you can use easily in these tools. If you need details video on Canva and ChatGPT to how to make ebook, then please comment in my video. Next, you can article write for Medium. Medium is a popular social platform where we can write our article, post, etc. Okay, so you can write articles and publish them to Medium and then add affiliate link in your post and then earn affiliate commission from per sale. Next, you can sell online courses. If you are expert in a particular area or particular topic, you can sell online courses. Okay, and to create your courses outline, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT can create course outline, course details. Next, you can start podcast. Podcast is now very popular to earn money. So in podcast, you can use ChatGPT to create podcast script. First, you choose your niche and then ask ChatGPT to give you podcast script. Next, you can create and build email list and sell it to potential customer. To build email list, ChatGPT can help you. Next, you can start a Twitter account and monetize it to earn money. And ChatGPT help you to grow your Twitter and Twitter related tips and content. You can do freelancing. And when you can do freelancing, ChatGPT can help you in many ways. That means you can learn many things from ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to complete your client's work or requirement or projects. Next, you can start a paid newsletter. Paid newsletter is very popular now. If you are expert in particular topic, you can start a paid newsletter service. Okay, and to create this newsletter, ChatGPT can help you to create newsletter. So that's it. Now we will summary in today's video. In today's video, we learn about 9 passive income ideas to make money with ChatGPT. First, idea: make YouTube videos for a YouTube channel. Next, you can sell ebooks on Amazon, write Medium articles, sell online courses, start podcast, build an email list, start a Twitter account, freelancing, and lastly, start a paid newsletter. Okay. So see you in next video. Till then, take care.